When you're craving something sweet or you're having people over and you want to make a really fun, easy, but sneaky healthy dessert, my easiest ever oven-baked s'mores are such a great choice. You guys, they take just a handful of ingredients, no time at all, don't heat up your kitchen, no campfire required, and making your s'mores open-faced is actually a sneaky way to enjoy a dessert in a healthier way. So let's get started. So we're going to line up our graham crackers on a foil-lined baking sheet. I'm using this small baking sheet that works in my toaster oven. I want to remind you guys, don't forget to use your toaster oven when it comes to cooking, especially if you're just cooking for one or two. It's a great easy way to make something without heating up your whole kitchen. Next, we're going to top these with a couple of little mini marshmallows. So we're still going to get that great bubbly campfire flavor, but for less sugar than if we were using large-sized marshmallows. You can see these are going to come out in little individual sizes. You could make as many as you want. These are so much fun to serve at parties. And finally, I'm using mini chocolate chips. Now the reason I'm doing this, it's going to give you that great chocolatey flavor that you love, but for less sugar and less calories than if you had like a whole slab of chocolate on here like you would normally do when you make s'mores. Now we're going to pop them under the broiler of the toaster oven for just a minute or two, just to melt the chocolate and get the marshmallows, that delicious brown bubbliness that we love so much. And then I'm going to show you some really fun ways to top it for a party and to do different flavor combinations too. Oh my gosh, you guys. Well, look how easy that was, and I really wish you could smell these. They have that like amazing roasted marshmallow deliciousness to them. They took 3 minutes in the toaster oven, and how cute are they? They're perfect for a party. Now I'm going to show you how to top them different ways. By the way, if you have like a sweet craving that strikes on your own, these are a great way to make yourself a little individual sweet treat too in a lighter way. So today I'm going to top these with some nice fresh raspberries. They're so pretty in the summertime and they go really well with the marshmallow and the dark chocolate. Other ideas, you could use some chopped peanuts to top them or sliced banana, anything really that you like in that rocky road kind of a vein. And we've got ourselves beautiful, adorable little individual open-faced oven s'mores. Cheers, hope you guys enjoy. If you like this recipe, please be sure to share it with your friends, subscribe below, and hit the bell so that you'll always be notified when I post another Happy Meets Healthy recipe.